What's up? It's been a little while since I've uploaded an update. I'm going to quickly give you a bit of an update on where I'm at. I've kind of marked out where I need to notch. I've put the engine and box in since the last video so I could draw that out. I'm actually changing the inlet manifold design. I've got one of these Gen V turbo plenums. The only problem is I had a bit of an explosion. That's what happens with anti-lag and 3-bar boost and a backfire. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to patch this up, but the general idea is to use it as a mock-up. It's actually SR20 throttle body bolts straight up, which is ideal. The back plate has got the wrong spacing. It'll go something like this. Nice short intake. So yeah, I need to make a little notch, which I've marked out there, and then plate that. I've hit this area, like battered it up a bit more, but to be honest, I think I need to cut some out because it is just really difficult to fit the engine by yourself with solid mounts. With it touching that section, I'm gonna have to cut that out. Next update is the rear section tunnel is in. All of this has been welded down through the floor to the floor bar. Trimmed that. It was a tunnel before. There was a section of tunnel before, or it was just the sides in the last video, I'm sure. I made a little lip, peak or flange, or whatever you want to call it, and I've tacked that on. So right now my mission is to cut some pieces so I can continue this flange all the way along and up. So I'm going to do that flange, and then I'm going to drill some holes in the tunnel, drill some holes in the flange, weld some M6 captive like weld nuts to the back side of the flange all the way around, and then that'll be the tunnel bolted in. Removable tunnel. And I've done this as well. So what will happen is I'll weld a bit of tube on here, weld a bit of tube on there, and I'm also going to make this hole a little bit bigger. It's 3 inch now, I'm going to make it 3.5, then I can put a CV boot over that, something that's like readily available and easy to use. So I'm going to cut out some of these flanges and stuff and then get them welded in, and then I will report back. Yo, what's up guys? So the tunnel has got a few fixings in, just some across the top at the minute. I haven't done any down through the sides or along the bottom. To be honest, I'm not going to be able to get any fixings in here because of the seat, so probably one down here, and then one there. So that'll be a total of 11 fixings in total holding it in, which I'm sure will be more than enough. So that's the tunnel done. I've put like a rim all the way around for it to fix to. I've also made a notch in the bulkhead for the inlet manifold, so the inlet is going to fit like this, thereabouts, give or take. It's now actually coming along quite well. So it was a pain getting the engine in by myself, so I've cut this lip away and I'm going to like remake this whole section in here to make it look nice. That's going to be it for this video, and I will catch you in the next video with a bit more updatingness. Cheers for now.